If you want to make text curve in Photopea, whether it's for a logo, a thumbnail, a banner, or a creative design, you can do it really quickly with a built-in warp text tool. In this video, I'll show you the fast way to bend text into an arc or wave shape, step by step, so you can get a clean result without guessing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy Photopea tips and design tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure your text is already on the canvas. If you don't have text yet, grab the Type tool from the left toolbar and click on your design to type out the word or phrase you want to curve. You can use any font you like, and it helps if your text is already positioned roughly where you want it before you warp it. Once your text is ready, select the Type tool again if needed, and then highlight the text layer on the canvas. You want to make sure the text is active so Photopea knows exactly which text you want to edit. After that, look directly at the top options bar, right beneath the main menu. This is where Photopea gives you several text formatting controls. Now, look all the way to the far right of that top text menu and click the Warp button. This is the feature that lets you curve, bend, and shape your text in different ways. When you click it, a small settings window will pop up with a few options. Inside that window, click the Style drop-down menu. It will usually say None by default. From there, choose a curve style like arc or wave, depending on the look you want. Arc is great if you want a simple rounded curve, while wave is better if you want a more dynamic flowing effect. After you choose your style, the next step is to adjust the bend slider. If you move the slider to the right, your text will curve upward. If you move it to the left, the text will curve downward. Take your time here and watch the preview as you move the slider, because even a small adjustment can change the entire look of the text. If you want to make the effect more dramatic or create a perspective style look, you can also adjust the horizontal distortion and vertical distortion sliders. These are useful if you want the text to look like it's stretching, receding, or wrapping into a more stylized shape. For most beginners, though, a simple arc with a bend adjustment is usually enough. As you experiment, keep an eye on readability. A curved text effect should still be easy to read, especially if you're using it in a thumbnail or social media graphic. If the curve looks too extreme, just pull the slider back a little until it feels balanced and clean. When you're happy with the shape, click OK to apply it. Your text will now appear curved directly on the canvas. From there, you can still move the text into position, resize it, or continue building out the rest of your design around it. And that's the fastest way to make text curve in Photopea. It's simple, flexible, and perfect when you want a professional-looking effect without spending a lot of time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.